Good day, my love, and welcome to this guided self-love meditation to help you get rid of guilt, shame, self-doubt, and self-hatred so that you can boost your self-confidence and restore the love you have for yourself, realizing how amazing you are. So sit in a way that allows you to relax, with your back nice and straight. Let your arms rest in front of you, resting on your legs, and letting your hands meet in the middle, and then close your eyes. Now breathe in deeply, all the way down into your belly, and then breathe out fully, letting go of stress and tension from your body and mind. Breathing in healing air, and breathing out negativity polluting your body. One last time, breathe in deeply, and then breathe out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, following your own tempo and rhythm, allowing yourself to be completely relaxed. Now in your mind's eye, think of a picture of you as a little baby. Create a clear image of the picture in your mind. Once the image is clear in your mind, imagine that you're holding the baby version of you in your arms, looking down at this beautiful, innocent little baby. Take a moment to create this visualization, seeing the details of this little baby, seeing the sparkle in its eyes, the smile on its face, and the feeling of heaviness of holding this little creation of love. What a beautiful being, so innocent and so perfect. Look into the eyes of the baby version of you and see the light and joy of this newborn baby. This little being looks at life with such curiosity, such excitement, and such openness, taking in everything, seeking a friendly smile, and seeking a loving connection. So share your love with this tiny baby. Allow your heart to be open and feel the connection between the two of you. A connection of pure, unconditional love. Now, as you look into the eyes of past you, of newborn you, say in your mind, I love you. I love you unconditionally. And nothing can ever change that. You are perfect. You are just the way you're supposed to be. You can never disappoint me. Nothing you do will ever change the way I feel about you. 'Cause I love you so much. And you need to always remember that. Now take a moment to simply feel, taking in this beautiful experience, an experience of pure unconditional love, as you make sure this perfect innocent little being knows exactly how much you love it. So open your heart, allow yourself to feel, and fill your heart with the strongest and most divine feeling of pure love. So be in this moment. Experience this moment. And take in this moment. A moment of self-love. Now, when you are ready, take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Can you feel the love in your heart? Do this exercise whenever you need to restore the love you have for yourself, remembering that you were created beautiful and absolutely perfect, and understanding that you are still this tiny little newborn. You are still beautiful. You are still perfect. And you still deserve all of your own love. Please share your experience in the comments field below. Thank you so much for watching. Have the most beautiful day. Namaste.